Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to modify the Skybox Manager script that I have made previously on my previous videos. As you can see here, we have a map and we have two hotspot images, hotspot icons here. Each one of them, if we click, we can change the panorama image or the skybox. Previously there were two functions, set skybox 1 and set skybox 2, and this one for skybox 2 and this one for skybox 1. But what if we have more than two skybox? For example, now I have 4 skyboxes here. It doesn't make sense if we make 4 functions to change the skybox if we have 4 skyboxes. So instead of doing it this way, I will edit the script this way. I will make one function so we can use this function for all the skyboxes. Public void set skybox, and here I will put the material as the reference of the function material mat. And then render settings skybox, we will assign the mat to the skybox, and we will delete these two functions, all two functions in this to public variables. Let's go back to Unity and we are ready to use the new script. We stop the game, and this is my first button, skybox 1. I will call this function Skybox Manager set skybox, and I will drag and drop this skybox 1 material, and also this one Skybox Manager set skybox material skybox 2, and I will duplicate this hotspot. Let's say it is here and another one is here. Just let me place it here. This one for skybox 4, and one more time here for the skybox 3. Okay, now we have 4 skyboxes, and let's go to try it. Here we go. We can open the map, click this one, so we are here. Click this one, we are here, and let's click this one, we are here. Click this one, we are here. Okay, this script is better now, more simpler and more usable. You can use one single function for every button that we will have here. Okay, that's all for this video. I will continue the tutorial next time on my next videos. Bye bye, see you soon.